There are two species of rabbits that live in the palmetto and pine seasonal wetland, or jungle as I call it, behind the backyard. One is very special, the Florida marsh rabbit, much smaller and darker than the eastern cottontail, and not to be confused with the much larger swamp rabbit found from Alabama through Texas. The marsh rabbit is identified by smaller tail, legs, and ears, and the underneath of the much smaller tail is never white like a cottontail, but a dullish gray-brown. They remind me a lot of guinea pigs walking on their short legs and rarely hopping or sitting upright on their rear legs, like cottontails often do. Adult marsh rabbits reach only about 2.5 pounds. They're strictly herbivores, eating grasses, bulbs, and aquatic vegetation. They do drop hard and soft pellets. Strangely, they will quickly eat the soft pellets, fecal pellets, and redigest. This diet behavior, called coprophagy, allows them to gain more nutrients from the hard-to-digest vegetation. The marsh rabbit does hop, but it's the only rabbit that walks like a cat on all fours, moving each leg separately and placing each foot down alternatively. This gait helps them through tall grass and dense vegetation like cattails that they live and hide in. Their short hind legs also have less fur than other species of rabbit and very long toenails. Another specific characteristic for this rabbit is their toes, which have a larger spread and are easily identifiable when tracking. These less furry legs, long nails, and widespread toes aid in swimming. And the marsh rabbit is an impressive swimmer and much better adapted in water than the larger swamp rabbit. To escape a predator, the marsh rabbit will leap into the water and swim, hiding completely under the surface, body submerged, ears laid flat, with just its eye and nose above the surface. If spotted, it will swim quickly away to hide in the muddy water again or find floating vegetation to burrow down into. In South Florida, dense freshwater and brackish marshes, cypress swamps, mangrove forests, and flooded agricultural fields are favorite places to dwell. They do need high ground nearby for protection and food sources. They build small nests in cattails and rushes made of grasses and leaves lined with fur, and have been known to take over small animal burrows in logs or stumps. Marsh rabbits are most active at night, dusk, and dawn, the same time as many of the marsh rabbit's predators. They spend most of the daylight hours resting in hidden areas. Frequent hiding spots include dense thickets, hollow logs, and stands of cattails and grasses. Many predators seek them out: owls, hawks, coyotes, bobcats, panthers, alligators, and snakes. The males or bucks are busy bunnies in Florida. Breeding is year-round with adult females or a doe carrying up to 6 litters of 2 to 4 young, or kits, short for kittens, which equates to producing up to 24 kits a year. This production rate ensures a balance of enough food for natural predators and a sustainable population of marsh rabbits. The nests are lined with grass and breast fern and are located on the ground in thicket stumps or logs. By 4 weeks of age, the young rabbits are weaned and are foraging for themselves. Hurricanes and coastal flooding can take a significant toll on marsh rabbit populations, particularly young rabbits and nestlings.